Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into automotive legends that defined luxury in their era. Today, we're taking a closer look at a car that marked a turning point for Cadillac, a blend of classic American elegance with a slightly more refined and modern approach. This is the 1975 Cadillac Seville, finished in a sleek gray color with a perfectly matching gray interior. This model was Cadillac's response to changing times. While the brand was known for massive luxury cruisers, the Seville introduced a more compact yet still premium experience. But don't let compact fool you. This is still pure Cadillac DNA, packed with sophistication, comfort, and unmistakable road presence. Exterior. The 1975 Cadillac Seville stands out immediately because of its more restrained and European-inspired proportions compared to other Cadillacs of the time. Finished in gray, the car looks incredibly classy and understated, almost like a luxury executive sedan rather than a traditional American land yacht. At the front, the signature Cadillac grille remains bold and upright, but the overall front fascia feels cleaner and more refined. The rectangular headlights sit neatly within the design, giving the car a sharp and modern look for its era. Chrome accents are still present, but they are more controlled, enhancing the car rather than overwhelming it. From the side, the Seville's proportions are more balanced. It's shorter than the massive DeVille and Fleetwood models, but it still carries a strong presence. The gray paint enhances the clean body lines, giving the car a smooth and elegant silhouette. The roofline flows neatly into the rear, creating a formal yet modern profile. The wheels are classic, featuring Cadillac hubcaps that maintain the luxury identity. Chrome trim outlines the windows and body edges, subtly reflecting light and adding to the premium feel. At the rear, the design continues its refined approach. Vertical taillights remain a Cadillac signature, but the overall rear design is tighter and more composed. The trunk is well proportioned, and the chrome bumper ties the entire look together. Overall, the gray exterior gives the 1975 Cadillac Seville a timeless, executive-style appearance that still looks elegant even today. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that perfectly complements the exterior. A full gray interior that feels calm, sophisticated, and incredibly luxurious. The seats are wide and plush, upholstered in high-quality materials that prioritize comfort above all else. Whether it's leather or soft cloth depending on the trim, the cushioning is generous, making every drive feel relaxed and effortless. The gray color theme flows across the entire cabin, from the seats to the dashboard, door panels, and carpeting, creating a unified and premium atmosphere. It's not flashy, but it's deeply elegant. The dashboard design is classic Cadillac, with a horizontal layout that focuses on simplicity and accessibility. Wood grain accents are integrated into the dashboard and doors, adding warmth and contrast to the gray tones. The steering wheel is large and comfortable, designed for smooth cruising rather than aggressive driving. Behind it, the instrument cluster features clear analog gauges, easy to read and straightforward. Space inside the Seville is impressive. Even though it's smaller than other Cadillacs of its time, it still offers generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats provide a lounge-like experience, perfect for long drives. Attention to detail is evident everywhere, from the padded door panels to the solid feel of the controls. Everything is built to provide comfort and a sense of quiet luxury. Performance. Under the hood, the 1975 Cadillac Seville typically came equipped with a V8 engine, designed to deliver smooth and consistent power rather than high-speed performance. Driving this car is all about refinement. The acceleration is smooth and controlled, and the automatic transmission shifts gently, almost imperceptibly. It's a car that encourages you to relax and enjoy the journey rather than rush. One of the standout features is the ride quality. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven roads with ease. The car feels stable and composed, especially on highways. Steering is light and easy, making the car manageable despite its size. However, it's not built for sharp turns or sporty handling. This is a luxury cruiser through and through. Noise insulation is excellent for its time. The cabin remains quiet, allowing passengers to enjoy conversations or simply the calm atmosphere. Fuel economy, as expected from a V8 luxury car of the 1970s, is not its strongest point. But again, efficiency was never the focus, comfort and smoothness were. Price and collector value. Today, the 1975 Cadillac Seville has become a sought-after classic, especially among collectors who appreciate its unique position in Cadillac history. Prices can vary depending on condition. Project cars can be relatively affordable, making them accessible for enthusiasts. However, well-maintained or fully restored examples, especially those with original gray paint and matching interior, can command significantly higher prices. The Seville's appeal comes from its balance. It offers classic Cadillac luxury but in a more refined and manageable package, making it attractive for modern collectors. Originality plays a big role in value. Cars with preserved interiors, factory features, and clean bodywork are especially desirable. As classic car interest continues to grow, the Seville is gaining recognition as an important model that marked Cadillac's evolution during the 1970s. The 1975 Cadillac Seville in gray is a perfect blend of classic luxury and subtle sophistication. It represents a shift in design philosophy while still holding on to everything that made Cadillac iconic: comfort, elegance, and presence. It may not be the biggest Cadillac, but it delivers a refined driving experience that feels timeless even today. From its clean exterior lines to its soft and luxurious gray interior, every detail reflects a commitment to quality and comfort. If you appreciate classic cars that combine style, history, and a smooth driving experience, the Seville is definitely a standout choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more legendary car reviews coming your way.